Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 10th of January 2018 and I will be analyzing Tata Consultancy Services. This is one of the query in my WhatsApp group. Firstly, the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is only for educational purpose, and any trade that you wish to take upon based on suggestions made here is entirely your responsibility, and I can't be held legally responsible for your profit or loss. So TCS chart is very bullish, and a break above this. So if we see tomorrow a positive momentum, you can simply go and blindly buy it. TCS is currently very bullish, and I had recommended this at around 2400 or 2500, and after that it has already made a run of around 400 points. So guys, TCS is very bullish and this is still going to go up, and I say that from this level it will go 600 points more. So TCS has a target of now around 3600. So if you want to buy it, you can still buy it. The only thing is let it close above, let it go above, let's say 2820. Let it close above that, and you will see that TCS will again start a new bull run, and it will go at least 500 to 600 points up. Uh, if you see weekly chart, after after it has run for around 400 points after I recommended it, I think in last year, uh, October or November, I recommended it. I will put the link in the description so that you can have a look to that video also. But still, if you see this chart, there is no sign of weakness, and you will see that currently once we break above this, once we break above 2820, then you will see that it will again start to go up without resting. And so if you have not included it in your portfolio, and if you're looking for a portfolio stock, you can definitely add TCS around 500 to 600 points in, let's say, a year or two. You will see it coming. So, today it has already made a very good run of around 97 points. So it has jumped 97 points just in one day, that is today. So this is very bullish guys, you can add it anytime if you want. So that's it. If you have any further queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.